Good morning, my lovelies. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have a diamond painting unboxing unbagging from VipCross. Okay, they contacted me and they wanted me to show them some diamond paintings. So let's get started. With this one, I'm going to throw this away because I stressed them out. Let's see. Oh, this is a pretty one. You get the standard tool kit. Okay. Both the wax and the single placer pen. The beads are already pre-bagged. We're going to take a look at them. The canvas is pretty soft. This is a 30 by 40. And this is like a truck in the fall. This is good for next year. Although I have a whole bunch of fall ones. I better start doing the summer ones by now. But I'm going to do them in between the big soccer canvases, because if you don't know, we have the big soccer canvas and the medium square canvas events already started. The link is on the description box. So that thing, the thing is, when you request to join, you gotta answer some question and fill out a Google form on which event you are interested, because we have 3 events going on. Okay, so this is a 30 by 40 with 24 colors. It's pretty dark. Okay, the canvas has some glitter on it, some shimmery on it. Take a look at this. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oops. I'm good. Here it is. Okay. We have some glue. Okay, the glue is good. It's letters, so there is no symbols in here, but there is a lot of dark areas, as you can see. But the symbol seems to be pretty clear. I mean, the letters. Okay. They're very clear even in the dark areas, which is the way it should be. I like when they put that bold white on the black where you can distinguish the letters. Okay, this is a pretty one. This is appropriate for the fall. Let me see the light on the top. No, that's too dark. That's too dark. But here it is for the fall. Here are the colors appropriate. It has the number of the canvas, so you be able to find it, which is good. And it's a 30 by 40. Even tells you on the package. So here are the colors. They're pretty colors. They're all for like. Well, no, there are 4 colors in there. Okay. And it's 24 of them. Okay, so let's keep on going. Let's do the next one. It's 3 items. It's 3 diamond paintings. Get this one out. Oh, this one is one that I like. This is a 30 by 40, I believe. A 40 by 30. You get the standard toolkit. You get the drills already bagged for you, so you don't have to go through all that trouble. And this is a pretty one. This is the moon. This has 22 colors and it's letters too. And this is a 40 by 30. This is landscape type. Kind of look like there are cherry blooms. So the package, okay, over here it tells you the number of the canvas in one of the drills over here, so I'm okay with that. I know where to look. The glue is very strong. It has a shimmery canvas. Okay. And I like the moon, and the moon is reflecting the water. We have a bird over here on this area of the flowers. And this is look like it's the sea or the lake, because over here in the background seems like there are mountains over here. Okay, and this is pretty neat. It's pretty bright. Here are the colors. I'm not gonna take them out because I never can put them back again. They're pretty colors. I can show you the inside. Here it is. Some of the colors right there. We have the darker ones, and we have the pretty colors of the blue and the greenery, and I believe this is for the moon. Yeah, because I don't see no other clear one. These are pretty colors. Okay, so let's get into the next one. Thank you, DP Club, for these beautiful canvases. Okay, this is another 30 by 40, and I believe this is a lighthouse. Ooh. I need to get this out. You get the standard toolkit. The package is a choo-choo train. This one we can see it. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. This one has 25 colors, and they're letters and numbers. But there is no B to confuse with the number 8. So this is cool. That is very cool. That is great. And I love Lighthouse. Like I said, bring me memories of a better time, maybe. I mean, I didn't have no income. I lived with my mother and my grandmother because I was at the university, right? I couldn't work because in the island you have to have a car too in order to work. Okay, and we have a good time. We have a great time, you know. And This one has 25 colors. They have the DMC code. All 3 of them. It's just one of the things. And this is the a lighthouse with winter with snow and the truck bringing the Christmas tree for it. These are pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay. Let's take a look at these ones, because this one we can see them individually. The other drills look fine, just that when it's in this way, I like to show them in a parade type. Okay, so let's start. Number 1, we say have 25 colors. Yep, we got the 25 colors over here. So let's get started with these ones. Come on, focus. Here you go. Beautiful green, shiny drills, sparkly drills. Okay. Let's go a little faster. Beautiful. Beautiful colors. Yeah, this blue, I love this blue. I like it. Beautiful. Look at how sparkly those drills are. And I hardly see any dimples on them. Take a look at the red. This is dark blue. Doesn't tell you the DMC code. This is another color that I like. Here are the rest. Oh, I love this teal. I like it. So this is a pretty one. I like this one, and with this one we're gonna say goodbye. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful year. Happy New Year to all of those of you. I hope you have a blessed one. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Consider joining the membership in the channel for some perks. We have events going on. The Facebook group link is in the description box. And have a wonderful year. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Thank you very much for watching. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.